Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is the biggest city in eastern India. A major metropolis, Kolkata is fast expanding both outwards and upwards. Each day, the demand for more housing and other infrastructure projects is increasing. Bricks are an essential part of this real estate boom, and as a result, there are over 2,000 brick fields in West Bengal catering to this need. As early as October, the labour contractors provide advances to the very needy, starving families in the disaster-prone rural areas, which virtually turns them into bonded labourers. The workers come with their entire families, including children and babies in arms. Thus, the children are deprived of any opportunity to attend regular school. Very often, the same children contribute to the family income by working at the brick fields even before the age of 8. Adolescent girls, besides taking care of their younger siblings, also carry bricks in order to augment the family income. Sensing the need and urgency of the situation, the Kolkata Merry-Ward Social Centre, then a part of the Loreto Day School Sialda, had in 2008 started 20 schools in the brickfield areas. This was an attempt to provide basic functional education to these children. The Kolkata Merry-Ward Social Centre has in 2015 expanded the purview of work to over 50 schools, attending to the educational and welfare needs to over 2,800 children in a competent, ethical and effective manner. Dedicated teachers selected from all the local communities help in running the classes for 3 hours every day, Monday through Friday, for 7 to 8 months of the brick-making season. Classes are generally held in open verandas, under the trees and in the shade of brick stacks. Every school is managed by at least 2 teachers. Seating, using mats or bricks, is readied for 3 groups A, B and C according to their ages. The teaching learning materials are also displayed to make the ambience colorful and interesting. The curriculum taught in the open school is constantly being reviewed and improved. Children are imparted basic language skills in Hindi, Bengali and English. With the help of flashcards, they are taught to identify alphabets and make simple words with them. Thus, a basic foundation for formal schooling is given. Children often know the numbers but cannot identify their written form, which they are taught in the school. Basic numeric skills such as addition and subtraction is also taught with the innovative use of straws, bricks, marbles, etc. Games are a useful tool which helps children learn numbers while having fun. This also adds to their cognitive development. Children coming to the brickfield schools get a small daily snack which supplements their poor diet and also ensures regular attendance. All the brickfield teachers are regularly trained and updated on the curriculum based on modern teaching methods. This helps them improvise and innovate and to make learning a fun experience for the children.
एक जो कोलकाता मेरी-वार्ड सोशल सेंटर से जो ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है उससे हमें बहुत सुविधा मिलती है और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि भविष्य में भी उसी तरह का ट्रेनिंग मिले जिससे कि बच्चे सीखने में अधिक मात्रा में ये लोग सीख सकते हैं। किंतु जब हम लोग एक्टिविटीज़ क्रियाकलाप के द्वारा इन लोगों को सिखाते हैं तो ये बहुत जल्दी कैप्चर कर लेते हैं और उसको फिर घर पे भी या और भी कोई आता है तो उनके सामने करके दिखाते हैं।
The Kolkata Mary Ward Social Centre is constantly advocating the cause of the migrant children of the brickfields at all levels, from the brickfield owners to the local government authorities to ensure safe migration. Given its experience and expertise, the Kolkata Mary Ward Social Centre hopes to play the role of facilitator for launching a statewide or even nationwide initiative to find ways and means to promote the education, welfare and protection of these children. They also hope to be able to look into the well-being of their families.